Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I have a Temu haul to share with you. Are new to Temu or reinstated your Temu app, I do have a code for you, and I do have a $100 bundle, so go ahead and use that. So let's get into this. I am going to show you the dies first. So the first one I have are these ducks. I believe they're geese. They're either geese or ducks. I'll put a photo in the video so you can see what they are. This is my third time doing this video, so some of the stuff is already open. For some reason, it doesn't record on me, but let's go ahead. 3 times the charm, right? Yeah, let's go ahead. So yeah, this is the ducks. I do want to say I think they're ducks, but I don't know. Well, I'll put the picture in the video. But yeah, it does have the little water puddle here, and does have one swimming, one walking, one flying, and does have the little chickies here. Look at that. I got that. That's actually a real good size. I actually bought it because of this one here. So I got that one. The next one here is a cherries. Okay, this one has 2 different ones. Now these 2 are together as one. This one, it should cut out separate. So you do have the stems and the leaves here, and it is stitched. So I thought those were cute. I don't have a lot of fruit. I do have some that I bought from Scrap Diva also. So I bought this to kind of match those 2. Now I saw this one and I was like, oh my god, I needed this. This is the claw machine. And this one does come with a die. Put this out here. So this cuts out, it does have a die to cut out the machine, and it has a die to cut out the claw and the bear and the unicorn. The sentiments you have to fussy cut, and the little stars and whatnot. But I thought this was really cool, so I had to have that one. So I got this one. And like I said, this does come together. That's that one. And the last die I have here is the sheep. And the sheep here. Now, I'm not sure where this one goes to, because you have these 2 here, which this one will go to here and this one goes to there. But this one I would think goes to here, and you don't have to worry about the bottom. So I'm not sure. But I'll put the image in the video. And then it does have little extras here. And it also has the eyes. Yeah, the eyes. And then it has some leaves in there. So yeah, I thought that was cute. They have that too. Next thing I have, you know me and my appliques. Of course, I had to get some more. And these ones are some flower appliques. And these are little flowers with pom-poms. And they come in blue, yellow, purple, green. I believe in 5 different colors. And pink. Actually, let me get my little plate here. So they do come in 5 different colors. So you get those. How cute. And they do have a design on the front. How cute are those? So you got the green, purple, yellow, blue, and the pink. I thought those were cute. I have those. And then I have these knitted ones here. The knitted ones are, you got the cream with pink. And with these, they're good size. And you get a variety of colors. Yellow with the orange. Pink with the white. Pink with the yellow. Yellow with the blue. Move this up the way. You get the brown. Look at the 2 different browns. Brown with the light and brown with the dark. We see we got a red here. And then we got an orange with the yellow. Red with the yellow. We even have a light blue. So you get a good set, a good stash in there. So got that one. The next thing I have here are the butterflies. Now this I did haul before in a video. You do get 5 different ones. So you got the yellow, the pink, the purple, the orange, and the blue. Now they're all the same except for the blue, which is a rainbow sequence in the back. And they all have a little pearl to kind of give it dimension. And they all come with the gemmy in the middle. So that's the blue one. The orange. And look at the orange in the back. And then the purple in the back. Purple in the front. The pink in the back. Pink in the front. Yellow in the front. And yellow in the back. I got those. I did get another tea time doll. The last time I did was I got her. So let's see what I got. This one, and this is the one that you could get. Okay. Now I want her, so let's see which one I got this time. Okay, I got the macaroon girl this time. See her little macaroons for her hair. And she has a bow. Now she does have her little bubble gum in the bag, and she does have her little, it looks like her little wand in the bag. So I'll put that on her later. But that's what I have. How cute is she? Now I'm going to use her for a keychain. I'm going to make a keychain with her. I have that one. She is cute. I like her. Put her there. Now let's look at some charms. I have some watermelon charms. These actually look like Jolly Ranchers from the back. And then you get 10 pieces. Actually pretty good size. Look at that. And they're pretty thick. Look at that. The watermelon charms. It's funny, but they kind of do look like candy. Look at that. You get those. Now these are flowers. Actually, these are pretty light. Okay, these are spring flowers, and this is made out of plastic. Okay, now you get yellow, white, pink, green, and purple, and blue. And these are small, but they are cute, and they're lightweight. You get those. I'll put some of these out, not all of them. Now these are sakura flowers, and these come in white, dark pink, and light pink. How pretty are those? Now these you could get in a pack of 10, and I believe in like 20, 30 or something like that, and you could go higher. But I got the biggest pack that you could get. Got another set of charms, and this is fruit and veggies, I think. Okay. Now this one you get carrot, avocado. I wish I had another avocado. Peaches, cherries, grapes, lemon, strawberries. Look at that. Got those. And then these are safety pins, but I use them. They're safety pins, but where you can make like dangles. You can make dangles, and actually I'll show you what I make with them. And this one you get, this one came with the blue, blacks. I have some black ones. Let's see if I can take them out. I have some brown. And some brown ones. I got a lot of purple, some yellow, some one mint, a blue, orange, and some white. This one is usually random packs. Sometimes you could pick like pastel color, sometimes bright. But this is what I make with them. That's what I make with them. And it's the same thing that I use with that. So you could, with the little hoops, just hang stuff with that. And you could hang it on your purse, your backpack, your jackets, on anything really. So that's what I make with those. Right there. And then the last thing I want to show you, I have some washi tape. And if you could tell from the box, it's honeycomb, so it's a bee theme. This kept going on my feed, so I went ahead and got it. Let's just check it out. Let's see what they have. So the first one is like the honey. Yeah, so the honey. That one. And then black and white. I mean black and yellow. The stripe. These actually would be nice for a honey, either a honey album or scrapbooking or card. There's that one. Has the word honey. Oh, I like this one. I like this with the blue. That's why I bought this one, because of the blue one. the be with the white. That one. And that one. Face it this way. You don't get a lot of it, but at least you get a little sample. At the rainbow. And then this one. The honeycomb one. So you get 12 different ones in here. So that's a good starter. That one. And then this one. So that is my little haul of cuteness for you today. Leave a comment below and let me know what's your favorite item in the haul. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you haven't, hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.